Nigagenderete korokana buna aboroki wa banke nigo bagenderete gotigara asechinga kubwatikana no kuborwa wechpesa ichira bakonye begendererie na masomabo ikikairiro mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati gochakebene umuroberi obwo gosira aboroki wa baigabu na injire moyo kubarosia kobegesa ku kyamambya itukolya rero Arati nigo aigora bene umuroberi yo manyekanite buna Elimu na Simba ase achakire korwe binto awo chasa aboroki wa bali abakorwa chia mate chitari kwenyara eri okubakonya kwegendereria ase amasomabo muri keito Frida Kerubone kiranaso muroberi yokorekana ase getie chigosori kya Gusii Stadium asa otumanya buna Arati nigo atebire buna gosaganirie abarai ao kugendera gosira aborokiwa eriyo benyorere chisemi
Bunenchere ya moyo gosira chisemi ime kaunti ya Kisii nigo mugavana Simba Arati asiolio morobeli o Elimu na Simba elio gosira aboroki wa batali kwenyara elio konyora chisemi litukolia rero asegetigie chigosoli gia Gusii Stadium nigo aboroki wa bo banyorete amagisi chimi satone 50 gochigoro banyorobo konyi elio gosoa chiskuru
I'm excited to launch the Elimu na Simba scholarship program, which is aimed at sponsoring needy students from the poor background to access secondary education.
Tinga kicho boigo nigo omwaziri bwetisemi Ezekiel Machogu boigo asira aborokiwa emerongo ebere wetera omorobeli bwebengi ya KCB.
So nataka majina 20. Wale majina 20 leo my peers Perio Kibusanga na ngojea Arabu tutawapatia scholarship ya Kenya Commercial Bank.
Boigo omugavana nigo aenekelia bamenyi be county ya Kisii buna chibasa linchi chikoenanwa omutinyo yigago cha asekera award.
To give 135 million, 33 million for every ward. But again, in the new budget, we are doing 5 million to every ward for bursary. Education is the equalizer.
Chinga kicho boigo nigo aeneki ase miaka etato ime county ya Kisii trabage kwenyorera chibasari ase aeneki buna na chigo chibua toka.
At this juncture, let me remind us that the first or the last 3 years also, Kisii County had no bursary fund. Since the money meant for bursary was diverted to other uses.
Omugavana Simba nabagakwerera ekirenga ky'omorobelyo yo ase aeneki buna torigo sirwa ne serikali.
To see that a number of candidates who perform well in certificate education fail to join the next level of education due to lack of school fees. We have to come up with a Elimu. We had to come up with a Elimu na nani? Elimu na Simba program to help send more children from Kisii County to school. Let me hasten to clarify that this scheme is not being sponsored by the government funds, but through well-wishers.
Nigo boigo abolia babwatani wesokia ase obonge eligosira aboroki wakogendera konyara chisemi ime county ya Kisii.
Personally, I'm ready to save enough from my monthly salary for the program to be sustained. Members of the staff and other well-wishers are encouraged to chip in to help the needy students to afford fee for their education.
Kulende nigo omugavana boigo ali eira gosira aborokia na boigo kwenekikera oyomo ochire eskuru.
That we want to put in place, we will make sure mwana taiyo otarikwa ende school. Abanga lazima chef kado nchezo kwana chisume ko lazima abanga lazima to balazimisha na nebechi yaino njoiwana yebo. For now we have Elimu na Simba and we have also introduced the county bursary which will soon be launched, probably in by mid of this month we'll be having it.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Wamama wetu